Bro, them a black baller, but we a shot caller. Money stack taller, for you see me make the call ya. Enough time we feel, but now me nah fall back. Live the dream, them a walk and talk that. Long time.
Subscribe to NEWLINK YouTube channel and go to ping on the notification bell. Subscribe to NEWLINK YouTube channel and go to ping on the notification. NEWLINKs, top vlogger. Big up NEWLINKs, cause him a top vlogger. Vlogging it.
Bless up my viewers and subscribers. Big up on yourself, and you don't know, so they attacking boss. They are NEWLINK from NEWLINK Production. And I mean say attack, my people. So right about now, my viewers and subscribers on a real level, they are my people, and I'm going to talk about this very sad story, you know, my viewers. No joke and thing, you know. And it's about an artist, you know what I mean? And I'm going to say artist, my people. Dancehall artist. You see me? Because a lot of people, them see this thing, and me them a talk about, say, yo, how them come and talk about this youth artist and that. Nobody not hear about him, we sang him do and this and that. You see me? But for me personally, my people,
on North Coast. FAM. I am a joker. I know for them no believe in the dream. No me I win me on the team. Hard work and patience to it. Turn dreams.
I know him as an artist. You understand, I've seen him in person already. I've seen his song on YouTube already. I've seen him on Instagram. I've seen other artists show him up already and thing. And me know he's a recording dancehall artist. You understand? Not because him not have a big name. You get me? I say I'm big fame like some others, but you have to start from somewhere before you reach somewhere. Don't. And a whole heap of artists did I try it for years and I do it. You know what I mean? Still I get local shows, still I make a couple dollars. But even though them not big like certain man. You see me as some people. So we are talking about this artist and now my viewers and subscribers. You understand? Who was, you know what I mean, unfortunately killed my people in Guyana. You understand? He's a Jamaican born, you know what I mean, singer, dancehall artist, we want to call him. You get me? I say, goes by the correct name, Navarre George Barton. You see me? But a lot of people know him as Stereo Dan, my people. You see me? That's how a lot of people know him as Stereo Dan. You see me? A lot of people. And he's from the North Coast now. When we talk about the North Coast, we are talking about in a center, my people. You know what I mean? The Oche side. So a lot of them artists do, you know, rise up from the North Coast side. You talk about Pablo Wild G, Kraft, Javilani. You know what I mean? Are they CM North Coast? You see me? He's from that side, my viewers and subscribers. So he was a very popular artist, entertainer, couple years back in the North Coast side. Still popular, but meaning when he was living there, you understand him used to do a lot of show around Ocherous area and close by surrounding parishes, St. Mary, you know what I mean, back down the western part and doing his thing, doing his music. So he basically moved over to Guyana, where he was residing at the time of his unfortunate passing, my people, where he was still doing his music, making a name for himself over there, my people, where a lot of artists who book for shows in Guyana, you know, that meet up with them artists that call up and bring him out on stage, and he was doing him thing, working in studio, releasing music on YouTube, you understand, my people, and just dropping songs like, even a song when I see him drop, my people, upon a real level.
Pretty big on a hustle, jumping line and I saw the love flow. From this track, me a touching road. Have to make it from me, and I saw me nerve. I get this ceiling, we don't look at
to myself, say, brother, Jano, sad situation when I see him drop the song and I say, yo, cause him said this song for really, basically I doubt if it fully release it, and like 2-3 days ago, you know what I mean? And me say, yo, him remind me of Father God. When Father God did have this big song and them just take him out right before this big song release. So his story, my people, is totally different from Father God's story, you know what I mean? Jump off a Father God thing right back on this NEWLINK. You know what I mean? So as me as a people, he was taken out on Thursday, June the 6th, 2024, my people. You understand? Over there in our part of them call him Sophia in Guyana, my people. Zane in Greater Georgetown, which is the capital. You get me? And them say, him have some altercation with a taxi driver, my people, you know what I mean, who was older than him, yeah, a couple years well older than him, my people. You have some altercation pertaining to cash money, whatever, my people, and them say he was inside him yard in house or something, when the taxi driver and another person, they was there having their arguments with people, when them hear gunshot wounds, the people, he received gunshot to him head, to this, and you know what I mean, other parts of his body. His girlfriend was describing the matter and say, yo, it was a sad and unfortunate one, my people. But basically what they are even saying is that this man and the taxi driver and the likes of them not know each other. They were basically like friends. You see me? They were like bridging. You get me? Them know each other. They was like bridging. Them have some fallout pertaining to money, which on the first you hear them type of story, them people. Based on the fact where money do get involved, people do have disagreement and agreement at times being, and then some people take the thing different on a real level. See? But one of the sad part about this is when I go back to where I say, yo, people, I describe this youth as nobody. You see me? Who him? While them a call him artist. Nobody, everybody dead once them sing look a song, yeah, this and that. If this was his occupation, if this was what he was doing, of course he's an artist. I talk about this youth before in a vlog, you know what I mean, couple years back. I do mention about him already. You see me? He's an artist. He's a recording artist. He's recording song. You know what I mean? Not everybody who out there, you know, not a man who play ball. He play soccer, you call him a baller, don't it? Not he not must play for Reggae Boys or play for Waterhouse or Mount Pleasant or play for Manchester United or one of them big league club team there. You know what I mean? But he's a baller. He has style and he can play ball. A youth who always a play cricket, you call him a cricketer, don't it? Mention around the sporting world. See? So if that youth is a dancer, you call him dancer, not because he's not the biggest dancer. You see me? A DJ, you don't have to have the biggest DJ name where I work on sound system like Boom Boom and a few more of them. Him not have that type of name, so you still call him a DJ, don't it? So what difference does it really make? You see me? For you, style him or call him an artist or recording artist or whatever you want to call him. It doesn't really make a difference. So I don't see why we should differentiate or have something to say about his occupation, being an entertainer, being an artist, without having that big name, you understand, in the music world. But all I have to say is that, my people, on a real level, is that, you know, it's a sad thing and we should accept the fact and say, yo, it's unfortunate for no say a young youth over there in another Caribbean country. You get me? I say one Caribbean, one place where there's some people that say Guyana and Caribbean, Guyana, South America, whatever they want to call it. But basically we consider as the West Indies then. You see me? I say, and he was over there and he might have taken out this way by persons who him call bridging or whatever. But they must say money involved. Some arguments pertaining to money because his girlfriend, who him have over there in the place them call him Sophia in a Georgetown, she was talking and say something with money. You see me? And the next part of the story is that they must say Mackerel caused this. A lot of people say, yo, a Mackerel fault, listen now. You see me? I say a Mackerel caused all of this, you know. And when I see that Mackerel something them people, on a real level, my job I come and say, yo, Mackerel, what Mackerel really are going? Because I see this thing on the media from the other day with Mackerel, you know. This local Mackerel thing at Jamaica, yeah, when me believe say Mackerel, they done. You know what I mean? Done with already. You see me? Mackerel done feed to dogs already. That me the believe say me know say Mackerel still a go on. You see me? And them I say Mackerel I diss up Guyana people in a video. Me see video and I say, yo, that girl a really not no sense, you know. The way how she a style Guyana people. She not no sense which and I really love my people. And Guyana people, me have this to tell you now. As a Jamaican, me I got to tell you this. We Jamaican have nothing against Guyana people. We are one West Indies. One, you understand? Don't whatever Mackerel a say about uno, make it be on every Jamaican behalf. That's Mackerel in our own lane. Me respect Guyana people. Yeah, me know a whole heap of Guyana people, like know in person, they are nice people, real people. No matter anywhere you're going in the world, you're going to find good and bad personality with people. Zine? So, me not have nothing bad about Guyana people or the country. I love that place. I never been there, but I always have it on my bucket list. You say me want to go there. Just the other day, I meet a couple from Guyana. And they must say, yo, you need to come in at the place yard, man. Come in and come. You know, and we were talking about the same time with Chronic Law. When him they go over there and, you know what I mean, with my boy there, where the DJ the name, man. We always at dip on the media and attack the Magnum, when Magnum and Chronic Land and them look at thing when Burner, boy, all of them artists requested forward over there and thing. And we were talking about them, something here. Nice people them. So with this look at Mackerel thing and now with up on the media, you know what I mean? Because later they make this TikTok thing, forget look at dollars span TikTok and I beg people turn them in a fool. And them create themselves a way and a portrait themselves in some way where real people who have real sense now go watch them thing there. Real people who on a real level have something good to do about them life. Now go focus on that. Because them think they are waste matters. You understand? We need to respect each other. You see me? No matter what, if Guyana people want to say something bad about Jamaican and TV, such one different Jamaican, whatever. You see me? That a feed them thing. But me now go style up the Guyana people. If you and a person from Guyana have a difference, deal with that person. But when you go forward and talk about the whole of Guyana people, them this, them broke and them hungry. You have anybody say Guyana people broke and hungry, they are fool and stupid. Because Guyana produce millions of oil are supply them full of oil over there like trouble, rice like trouble. You understand? Gold like trouble over there. Whole heap of resources, natural resources them have over there. Big old place there in South America. Whole heap of things them have over there. So when people are going to follow people and talk, say this and that, you understand, Guyana is not a broke place. It's not a hungry place. If you find 4 poor people over there, for sure, poor people everywhere, you know. Everywhere you can think of poor people there. But it's a rich country over there. You understand me? I've seen something where them release and they must say, yo, Guyana make over $1 trillion pertaining to oil. Over $1 trillion they make off of oil. Over $1 trillion. I think they was doing it in an early period. Whether to last year, to this year, Some, you know what I mean? So we are going to talk, say, yo, a good place. So we don't follow this Mackerel thing and now this little waste matter. Who the pan the media talk certain things. Because that forget attack. That the same thing they forget attack. We don't watch them the same thing there. You understand? Them the same thing they want to respect for people. Real people who have ambition now watch them, they are focused on that. You see me? That for feed go get dog. Real no joke, real talk. You see me? That the same thing with them call near Mackerel. That need for dash way, that are waste matters. You see me? You know, like when you cook the mackerel and you take out the real part, you say, look, fine bone them, you take them and dash them out of it. That you do with that, dash it way. You see me? Give the dogs to that, all the dog them refuse it, kind of good. That way do that, the mackerel same thing there. You know what I mean? Guyana people, I love you know. Me, I understand, and the real NEWLINK fans, them now nothing bad to say against you know. And I would never say, because I will Mackerel do, or say, make this happen to this brother over there in Guyana. It's a sad situation, unfortunate situation, and me just sorry say it have to reach this level where violence do involve, which you know the thing nowadays, once man I want to hold on and strap my people, and certain things do happen, the quick thing for enjoy it and pull it and squeeze it, and that is it, my people. You know what I mean? Life is like nothing nowadays. You see me? I said that's why every day we get up and me always listen, so you have to give the Almighty thanks and praises, because nobody knows what tomorrow may bring, my people. You're there today, then tomorrow you can just boom, gone like that, my people. So we all have to know what you do. You see me? So my people just big up for the cell, man, and more love, more respect, and my condolences to the whole entertainer them. You know what I mean? The whole North Coast who are more the last of stereo done right now. You know what I mean? Good artists, whole heap of good song, people as I can see or preview few song while we are doing the vlog. You can see it, you understand? You can see say you have him style, him have him pattern, and I just say go. It's just one of them unfortunate days, the unfortunate situation, my people. And you know what I mean? A couple of youth, well, who did there around him do support to you know, if you remember the Buck one where you said they were on Charlie Box, they were good friends same way. You understand? Quite a few more of them on the North Coast. So boy, I may have to say yo, youth in the whole and just hold it up and hold up on the head high, you know. You understand? The whole youth, them entertainers who out there, who are try, who are forward. When they don't know there's a rocky road out the youth, and they just be strong and hold on the head up high. You see me, I say stay focused. You understand? There's a whole heap of evil out there where try champ the youth, them whole heap of demons, but just keep on the head high up youth and hold on strong. Just in Jah, because without Jah we are nothing youth, and a whole heap of demons, as me telling you, the way a whole heap of stumbling black youth, but we shall rise and we shall win and we shall, you know what I mean, trample them. You see me, I say, the whole North Coast, big up on yourself, and the whole Jamaica, the whole works, the whole Caribbean, Guyana, Trinidad. You understand? The whole place, man, Cayman Island, same way, Curacao, the whole USA, the whole of England, the whole New York family, the whole Florida, Miami. You see me, I say, the whole works, man. Atlanta family, big up on yourself, the whole works, the whole Canada, the whole Africa. You know what I mean? Costa Rica, Grenada, big up on yourself, man, long time. You see me, I say, Bahamas 242, the whole Turks and Caicos, the whole Caribbean, yo, everywhere big up. Even though I not mention, you know, big up on yourself, one team, one dream, one scheme, and I'm respecting my people. And for the people who say NEWLINK, what happened to you when I see you like before, just know, say, In a life, things have to change, and every day things are going to be the same. Just all me have to say, we're not gone, we still have vlog. But as I say, every day now going to be the same. There times things have to change. You know what I mean? You used to get that type there, just know say we're there, and we attack them. Peace out, my people. Stereo done. Rest in peace, brother. Attack. Peace out. Blessings.